This video was published by mbkpinternational.com. This video we're going to talk about the Perfect G12 Pro. This video would also be for the Perfect G17 Pro. Same color, just a little bit bigger. And I'm replacing the cut pad as far as putting this safety cover on. Some people don't know how to put the safety cover on. So first thing you want to do is you're gonna raise this all the way up and then let it lock into place. Make sure it's all the way up. You can remove your safety shield here, and you got your cover here, and you can see the arrow up. You want to do it that way, and you got this part here, and you're gonna just slip it in here, and then you're gonna put this bottom part under. You can see here under the blade right there, just where the lip comes past it, just a few, quarter of an inch or so past the blade there, and then just push this top on, just like so. And it should sit there, and you can come around here again, and you can see this is the blade right here, and there's that lip past the blade, so it's completely protected to where you can't cut yourself on the blade, or it's very difficult. It'd be very difficult. So when you do that way, when you're in here messing with this clamp, you don't cut the top of your fingers, or messing with the cut pad. So to change the cut pad, you just got to raise the clamp as well, and then you can move that up too. You can use your tool and just push in there, and it'll pop the pad up, just like so. You can push it on the other side if you want to, but and that basically just allows you to take this cut pad out. I won't do it, but you just take the cut pad out and then put another one in and snap it into place. Because when you're doing all that, your hand could hit the blade up there. Your top of your fingers could, and cut your fingers a little bit. So that's just a protection. Just make sure you can view it yourself and make sure it's in place. Confirm that it is covering the blade. Completely cut that blade so it can't cut you. And it's pretty simple. That's all there is to it. And if for some reason yours don't fit on here, you gotta look, make sure it's not cracked or something and broken or something. But as long as they're not broken, they should fit on just fine. This video was published by mbkpinternational.com.